How's it going, everybody? So in this video, I am going to talk about, do jumping jacks make your legs bigger? So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So this is a question I got from a subscriber. I thought I would go over it with you guys. And basically, yes, jumping jacks will make your legs bigger, and they will make them quite a bit bigger. So I want to talk to you guys about my experience with this. So a lot of people think, ooh, in order to get bigger legs, what you need to do is you need to lift very, very heavy weights. And I agree. If you're looking to optimize how big your legs get in the shortest amount of time, then obviously lifting weights is the best thing. But a lot of us don't have access to weights. A lot of us too don't want maybe really veiny, big jacked legs. Some of us just maybe want just like bigger legs, but maybe leaner and a lot more toned. So jumping jacks will make your legs bigger, just like jumping rope will make your legs bigger. Basically, anything that involves jumping in any way really allows your legs, your calves, and your quads to get bigger. Now, what I do is I am a garbage collector. So when I'm riding on the back of the garbage truck, every time I take a step to get on the step, because that's how you ride from house to house, every time I get on the garbage truck, I'm taking a step. And what I've noticed is by doing this, when I started the job, my calves were okay. My quads were good because I was bodybuilding, powerlifting. But doing that all day long, like 10, 12, 14 hours a day, doing that job, my calves got way better or way bigger. Same with my quads. Like I actually gained size in my legs by doing that because of all the jumping. I would say that walking does help too, but the jumping on and off the step definitely made them bigger, because every time you're taking a step, you're technically doing a step up. You're doing a calf stretch. And you are jumping from time to time as well onto that step. And that's the same thing when you're doing a jumping jack. When you are doing a jumping jack, to do a jumping jack, you literally have to jump. That's why they call it a jumping jack. So one thing too, though, is jumping is very intense. Like it is an intense movement, like it's explosive. So if you're really, really overweight, don't do as many reps when you are starting off, because it can put a lot of tension on your knee joint, because that's what happens. Every time you're jumping, you jump up, it's intense, but when you're coming down, your knees are what's taking that impact. So it's fine if you're just 20, 30 pounds overweight, but if you're 100, 150 pounds overweight and you're doing these jumping jacks, it can be a lot of impact on your knees. So make sure you don't do as many reps. But again, slowly try to increase the number of reps you can do. You'll lose weight and your knees will be, they will be able to take that impact a lot better. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999.